Hi students, welcome to Neetsuccesstips YouTube channel. I am Lion Srinivas, teacher, Lions Club leader. So I have started 3 YouTube channels. The 3 YouTube channels names are Neet Success Tips, Government Job Success Tips, English Success Tips. Neet channel Success Tips. I am uploading biology, chemistry, physics, all NCERT books, first year, second year books, important questions with easy tips and memory techniques. And in government job success tips, I am uploading arithmetic, reasoning, current affairs, general knowledge, computers, marketing, etc. subjects. I am uploading in that for English grammar and spoken English purpose, for bank POs and clerks, GRE, TOEFL, and other competitive exams, and also some interviews. Purpose spoken English. I am uploading videos, English videos, that in English success tips YouTube channel. So if anybody want to visit, you can visit that channels, and if you please like my YouTube channels and subscribe, and you can download my apps. I will give the description under the descriptions. I will give the links to download the app. So it is easily, if you download the app, daily you can directly open my app. You can see daily uploading videos and watch and learn the easy tips and techniques. Okay? If you please like and subscribe, and also share to your friends, relatives, whatever may be. If you and click the bell icon. Okay? Thank you very much. Now, today I will tell you Need Success Tips YouTube channel, Chemistry second year, some important questions with easy tips and techniques. Okay, let's go. So, Neet JEE EAMCET Chemistry second year video 2 questions. I already uploaded second year video 1 questions. If anybody did not watch, please go and watch. With easy tips and easy memory techniques, that is called coding techniques. So I am using some keywords that is linking to question to answer. So that will help you easily remember purpose. You can easily answer in the exam. So you get more marks compared to others while using creativity learning method. That means with easy tips and easy memory techniques. Don't use by heart method. Don't read again and again same topic many times. It is waste of time. By single reading you have to remember the answer. That is my concept. I am telling all the videos like this. Okay. First question. Consider Ellingham diagram. Which of the following metals can be used to reduce alumina? Consider Ellingham diagram. Which of the following metals can be used to reduce alumina? Option A magnesium, option B zinc, option C ferrous iron, option D copper. What is the answer? Consider the Ellingham diagram. Which of the following metal can be used to reduce alumina? Answer is manganese. So the easy tip, easy memory tip or techniques. Which of the following metal can be used to reduce alumina means, by seeing alumina, immediately one thought come in my mind. Alu. Alu means Allu Arjun. Allu Arjun recent film is Pushpana. Anybody know? In India wide it is super hit film Pushpa 1. Now Pushpa 2 is movie is going on to prepare. So after some days Pushpa 2 will also release. So Allu Arjun and Allu Aravind both are related to megastar Chiranjeevi. So I am taking Allu Arjun, Allu Aravind director. So both are related to Megastar Chiranjeevi. Allu Arjun father, Allu Aravind. In Telugu, my Nana. Allu Arjun says, my Nana means father. Father is Allu Aravind. Allu Arjun father, Allu Aravind. Okay, Megastar Chiranjeevi. He married sister of Allu Aravind. So both are related to Megastar Chiranjeevi. Mega means Mg. That Mg is magnesium. Like that you can remember alumina. To reduce alumina, Allu Arjun, Allu Aravind related to Megastar Chiranjeevi. Okay, Mega Mg. So magnesium. Like that you can remember. So otherwise you can read like this. Alu. Alu means it is a vegetable. Okay. Next, magnesium. Maggie. Magi. Maggie. Both are not good for health. It is fat developing in our body. So doctors don't prefer aloo and Maggie. Maggie made with maida, not wheat. So don't eat Maggie and aloo. It is bad for health. So you have to reduce that. Okay? In any functions you can eat little some. Okay? Like that you can remember. If you think, so many thoughts will come. Like that you have to remember. Then only you can answer the questions easily. Next, coming to second question. Which of the following compounds can form Zwitter ion? Which of the following compounds can form Zwitter ion? Compounds. Compounds means combined of some more than two elements. Benzoic acid, acetanilide, aniline, glycine. What is the answer? Which of the following compounds can form Zwitter ion? Benzoic acid, acetanilide, aniline, glycine. Answer is D. Glycine. See here. In glycine, scene cinema industry. So cinema industry actor or actresses use Twitter. They tweet some information and people react that and they respond. Like that Twitter is using cinema field, actor and actresses and co-artists like that. And also cinema actors use glycerine for fake tears. Fake tears. Tear. Fake tears. So they are crying in emotional scenes. They are crying in emotional scenes. The actors and actresses, co-artists, the mothers. In some scenes they are crying. They are not really crying. Those are fake tears using glycerine. Using glycerine liquid. So it put in the eyes. Some water will come. The fake tears. Glycerine tears. Like that you can. Cinema actors use Twitter and cinema actors use glycerin for fake tears. Like that you can remember. Next three. Which of the following oxides is most acidic in nature? Beryllium oxide, barium oxide, magnesium oxide, calcium oxide. Which of the following oxides is most acidic in nature? What is the answer? See here the easy tips and techniques. Answer is B. BeO, beryllium oxide. Which of the following oxide is most acidic in nature means beryllium oxide, BeO. So you can remember like that, BeO, BO, GO. BO means GO, beryllium oxide. Nowadays Geo network has most using network. Most people using that is network. So Geo network has most network connections in India. Smartphone or cable internet connection or cableless connection also nowadays coming. Excess using of phones may cause gastric problem, acidity problem, ear problem, headache problem, eyesight problem, sleeplessness problem, etc. Because by watching the scenes and videos, we think about that our mind working so much on our mind pressure will so much pressure on our mind, so mind will get tired, so chemical reactions occurred in our body, so we get unhealthy, so problems will come. Don't use mobile phones so much time and unnecessarily. So finally, what is the answer? Most acidity will come by using thinking, tensioning. So because of nowadays using mobile phones, TVs, watching serials, movies and shorts like that. So you are thinking, you are wasting time and you are thinking your pressure, some in mind, some burden will be there, some pressure will be there. So mind will be tired. So some chemical reactions will be occurred in the body. So acidity problem will come. So most acidic is Geo network. Most people using phones, network, Geo internet connection to phones, smartphones and in laptops, TVs like that. So that is the keyword Geo. So Geo phones using, if you use more time, acidity problem will come. So most acidic in nature. Oxide is beryllium oxide. Next, iron carbonyl FeCO subscript 5 is dash iron carbonyl mononuclear, trinuclear, dinuclear, tetranuclear. Iron carbonyl is what is the answer? Think. So see the easy memory tip and technique. Iron carbonyl is mononuclear. Mononuclear. Here carbonyl. Nil means in Telugu నీళ్ళు. So man is launching some rockets into the space on moon for finding water. Neil means water. For water searching on the moon. So moon, mononuclear. So mononuclear, moon. If you delete this, moon, moon. So observing the clear purpose, some cameras are sending with the rockets, like that you can remember. In another way, iron carbonyls is a mononuclear in which one ferrous atom is surrounded by 5 CO ligands. Okay? Iron carbonyl is mononuclear in which one ferrous atom is surrounded by 5 CO ligands. So, ferrous is one atom. So, first element is only one atom. So, one means mononuclear. Like that you can remember. Iron, I like one. So, like that, mononuclear. Iron, I means it is similar, looks like one. One means mononuclear. Like that you can remember. Binuclear, trinuclear now. Mono means one. I looks like one. Like that you can remember. If you thought many thoughts will you, if you think for some time, many tips you can put. Next, match the following terms with its suitable meanings. Amorphous solid, crystalline solid, isotropic in nature, anisotropic in nature, crystalline solids, quartz, amorphous solids, quartz glass. Match the terms ABCD with the suitable meanings of 1, 2, 3, 4. The relation between ABCD with 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, fast. In biology, for biology, you have to take only half minute. Daily I am telling. You take only half minute. Within half minute, you have to answer. Because chemistry physics takes more time to solve the problems and think the question. What is the formula to use? So like that, for that purpose, you have to solve biology questions within half minute. So first, amorphous solid. Amorphous solid is a quartz glass. A4. Where is here A4? Either A4. Next we are seeing crystalline solid. Crystalline solid means quartz. B2. B2 same. Next is who is C. C. What is 3 or 1? Isotropic in nature. Isotropic in nature means amorphous. Anisotropic in nature. Amorphous solids are anisotropic in nature. Amorphous solids are anisotropic in nature. Isotropic in nature, crystalline solids are anisotropic. Okay, crystalline solids are anisotropic. Next, amorphous solids are isotropic. So isotropic means amorphous solids means C3. Next D, anisotropic in nature means crystalline solids. Once again, amorphous solid is what? Quartz glass. Amorphous solid is quartz glass. Crystalline solid is quartz. Next, third one, Isotropic in nature. Amorphous solids. 3. C3. Next, anisotropic in nature. D1. Crystalline solids. We'll see the easy tips and techniques. Solids can be classified into two types. Solids, that hard items are, can be classified into two types. One is amorphous solid, second one is crystalline solid. Okay? AC. You have to remember AC. In summer, if you put AC, you can freely sit in that AC. Don't feel hot. So, cool. Solid. It is perfect. If you put AC, you don't bother about that hot in summer. So solids can be classified into two types: AC, amorphous solids, crystalline solids. Here keywords is Amar, that one person name, here cry. So amorphous solids example is quartz glass. So Amar is a, and these are isotropic in nature. These are isotropic in nature. Amorphous solids example is quartz glass, and these are isotropic in nature. So I am Amar. I am Amar. Quart. Quart means quarter final. Exams will be first semester, second semester, third semester, like that now. In third semester, quarter semester class, I have written the exam. I got many marks. The teacher, faculty will give a trophy to me. Like that you can remember. I am Amar. I wrote exam in quarter semester. So in class also, school also, in college also, whatever means. Class means some class. So I got many most highest marks, top rank in the class. So I got a trophy for getting good marks, first rank. Like that you can remember. Crystalline solids, quartz, and these are anisotropic in nature. Those are isotropic. Amar, I am Amar, like that. Here anisotropic. Anisotropic. Ani means I am looking like onions. If you cut cut, if you cut onions, some tears will come from eyes. So like crying. So if you cut onions, ani means onions. Keyword. So some tears will come from your eyes. That means you are crying, looks like crying. So you cut line by line that onion. Okay, like that you can remember. Next, sixth question. Match the following formulas with suitable bond angles. AX3 model formula is there. What is the angle? AX4 model formula is there. What is the bond angle? AX2N2 model formula is there. What is the bond angle? AX2N1. So nothing but AX2N model formula. What is the bond angle? In place of AX, you can take any elements. SO3 like that, NO3 like that, SO4 like that, CCl4, AX4 means CCl4 like that. You can put any elements in place of AX. But the formula I'm asking AX3 type structures formulas. What is the bond angle? Like that. Match ABCD with 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the answer? Answer is C. AX3 bond angle is 2, 120. AX4 bond angle is B1, 109.5. AX2 N2 C1, 109 point again 5, 109.5 degrees. X2 N1 2 again 120. So A also 120, B also 120. B is 109.5, C also 109, 109.5. So how to remember that? Go to use easy tips and techniques. I will explain in a table. See here, keyword table, formula, shape or crystal system, bond angle. So I am here explaining the shapes also, the formulas. They will ask giving this formula match with the crystal systems or match with that shapes of that compounds. Compound formula I have given AX2, AX3, X4, X5, X6. So it is the shapes or crystal systems. It is band angles. So in our question AX3, X4. So AX3, AX4 is 120, 109. After AXC, that is separate compounds. Model is different now. AX2N, AX2N2, 120, 109. Here both AX3, AX4. In last the subscript are 3. Here also subscripts 2 plus 1, 3. So if you 3, 120 you have to take 120, 120. AX4. Here 2 plus 2, 4. Here 4. If 4 is there, 109.5. Here 4 is there, 109.5. Like that, you have to remember. So, shapes, how can you remember? AX2, it is a bond angle is 180. So, it is automatically linear shape. Okay? AX3, 120 degrees. So 3 times 120 into 3, 360 degrees. In circle, if you cut off 180 degrees, so one line will cut half. So linear space 180 degrees. So in half circle 180, half circle 180, total 360 degrees in circle. Here AX3. So if you do 3 parts, so 120, 120, 120, 120, 3 times 360 degrees. In circle, total 360 degrees now. 3 into 3. 3 means tree. Tri means tree. Looks like trigonal planar. Next, AX4. Tetrahedral. Tetra packed. Nowadays, some cow milk and other milk coming in tetra packs. Okay, so many days it will store. You can see shopping malls that tetra packs. So tetra packs packed. So sealed. Here I am taking JILE, jail. Keyword is packed means some people arrested and packed in jails by doing wrong things. Okay, by behavior wrong, they are in jail. So that means packed in jail. తెలుగులో బంధించడం. సో టెట్రా ప్యాక్. సో ఇన్ జైల్ the persons also arrest persons packed in jail. Jail I am taking jade. Jade means J 10, I 9, D means dot, E means 5, like that. Tetra pack, packed in jail, some wrongdoing person. That jail I am taking jade. Okay, because hedral, D, that is I am taking D, hedral. L means I am taking D. So jade. J means 10, I means 9, D means dot, E means 5. Like that you can remember. AX4 trigonal bipyramidal. Trigonal bipyramidal. AX5. Bi means two angles it have. Two. Bi means two. Two angles it has. AX5 has two angles. One is 90 degrees. Another one is 120 degrees. 94 ja 360. 123 ja 360. So here two angles, but into 3 into 4. 2, 3, 4. Trigonal bipyramidal. Pyramid is triangle shape. So 123 ja. Next again 94 ja. First into 3. Next into 4. So bi means 2. Two angles you have to take. You have to remember 90 degrees, 120 degrees. AX6 octahedral. AX6. After O, there are 9 letters are there. So 9 beside 0, 90 degrees. AX6 is octahedral shape. So octahedral. Except O, there are 9 letters are there. So 9 I have written. Again O means 0, 90 degrees. Like that you can remember. AX2N. AX2 and both are the shape or crystal systems are bent. So both are AX3, AX4. Compare with AX3, AX4. 3, 2 plus 1, 3. 4, 2 plus 2, 4. So AX3, A4. 120, 109, 120, 109, 0.5, 0.5. So like that you can remember. So that is I am telling. You have to analyze total information. Then only if they ask the question in any way, you can answer the questions. You yourself put some questions on the information by observing. So, and also you can write that type of questions and answers in the separate notes. Then in examiner will ask in any way you can answer. You are ready to that. If that type of study, only you got the seat. Only common person reading, commonly reading, only by reading, pages turning. Don't use. You put some time on that information, whatever you are reading. You have patience. Analyze that information and some you yourself prepare some questions and you put the question to answer some links, easy tips. You write that tips on the notes and again once revision. So that is enough. No need of read many times by heart method. So you have to do patience and hard work and creativity learning. Then only you will success. You will be get first, then others. Definitely get seat in your entrance examination. Next, match the following formulas with its suitable shapes or crystal systems. Earlier bond angles I am asking the question. In this question I am asking shapes or crystal systems. Just now explained the shapes or crystal systems also. H3BO3 K2Cr2O7 CuSO4 5H2O, HEH, HGS, CaCO3, Na2SO4 into 10H2O, graphite, ZNO, CDS. For this 1, 2, 3, three compounds, same shape are there. For two compounds, same shape are there. For this only one compound, shape, what is the shape? These are three compounds. Graphite separate, zinc oxide separate, cadmium sulfate separate. So for these three compounds, what is the shape or crystal system? What is the answer? You see the easy memory tips or technique also for that. So answer is D. A2B4C3D1. Answer is A2B4C3D1. A. A is 2. H3BO3K2Cr2O7CbSO4S2O. Triclinic. Okay? No. Triclinic. Options both. Hexagonal, triclinic, monoclinic, trigonal, rhombus. Here we see one by one. A option H3BO3. We can write like this. BOH taken thrice. Boric acid, orthoboric acid, or you can say hydrogen orthoborate, trihydroxy, trioxidoboron, boric acid. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 5 words are there for H3BO3. Boric acid, orthoboric acid, hydrogen orthoborate, trihydroxy, oxidoboron, boric acid. K2Cr2O7, potassium dichromate. It is inorganic chemical agent. It is acutely harmful to health. It is bad for health. So potassium dichromate. Next, copper sulfate, pentahydrate. So these are what A. A is related to 2. Triclinic. Triclinic. So H3 is there. BO3 is there. Or BOH3 there. 3 is there. Tri means 3. So here 3, all 3's are there. So H3BO3 is triclinic. So K2Cr2O 7. Potassium dichromate. Potassium dichromate. If some persons eat more potatoes, they will got some health problems. Fat, liver fat will be there. In heart also some fat will be formed. So some heart stroke will become. They go to hospital. They are in very dying situation. So they are trying in clinic. Try clinic means doctors will try in that clinics to save that persons. Like that you can remember. Copper sulfate pentahydrate. So copper C. C means 3. 3 means try. Triclinic. Triclinic. Like that you can remember. Next HGS mercury sulfide, CaCO3 calcium carbonate. B. What is B? B is 4. Trigonal rhombohedral. Trigonal rhombohedral. Trigonal rhombohedral. Trigonal rhombohedral. How can you remember? Rambo. Rambo looks like cute. That Rambo looks like cute. Okay, like that you can remember. So Bonate, calcium bonate. The Rambo bones are made with calcium? No, made with iron or steel. So, calcium carbonate, the bones are used for robo, iron or steel, not calcium. So, na, bonate, na calcium, no calcium, with iron or aluminium. So, here three, try. So, trigonal rhombohedride. Trigonal rhombohedral. Na2SO4 10H2O sodium sulfate dehydrate alkali metal sulfate. C. C is what? 3. Monoclinic. C is monoclinic. So Na2SO4 sodium sulfate decahydrate. Monoclinic. Monoclinic. Na2SO4. Sodium. Sodium means here keyword is solo. Solo is solo person. How to behave? Monarch. He never hear parents and other words. He will do whatever he want. Solo persons. So monoclinic. Or some days if that persons don't listen, the parents will take him to clinic. Monoclinic. Mono means monarch. Solo. So solo sodium sulfate decahydrate. So take Hyderabad. Whatever the rate will not bother. But please solve my daughter or son problem. That solo monarch problem you solve. Please doctor. Doctor please save my child. Get rid of that monarchism, soloism. Like that you can remember. Next graphite. Graphite D. D is what is the answer? 1. D1 is hexagonal. In hexagonal, X is there, X axis, Y axis. Hexagonal, X axis, Y axis. In graphite, graph is there. Graph. Graph contains X axis, Y axis na. In graphite means keyword graph. Graph have X axis, Y axis. So hexagonal shape graphite has. The zinc oxide means in that also X is there. Zinc oxide. So same graphite graph X axis, Y axis and also Z axis like that. Cadmium sulfate. Cadmium sulfide. Calcium sulfide. So cadmium sulfide also hexagonal. Hexagonal. So he take here he gone for cards CDS cards. some marriage cards, whatever function cards. Giving purpose, gone. Gone means went. So he went or he gone for cards distribution purpose. He went cards distribution purpose. He is not in our home. So just now he gone to, he has gone to cards distribution purpose. Like that you can remember. Next question. Next, match the following chemical bonds with its carbon halogen bond lengths. Chemical bonds with its carbon halogen bond lengths. Carbon halogen. Halogen means any halogen. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Come on, what is the answer? Halogens. Bromine, fluorine, astatine, iodine, tennessine, chlorine. Those are belongs to halogen group. Here only chlorine, chlorine, iodine, bromine they have given. There are total 6 elements in group 17. That is called halogen group, halogen elements. Group 17. Group 17 is halogen group, halogen elements. Periodic table. Chlorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine and tennessine. So, how can you remember? We will see the easy tips and techniques. First, CH3F. CH3F model, the bond length is 139. So how can you remember CH? CH means I thought one word. CH, Chiranjeevi, actor, film actor. He's a mega star. So M is 13. 13. Next, he act with actress. One female. F is 6. This 3 I am taking. F plus 3. 6 plus 9. So 13 beside 9. 139. CH is Chiranjeevi's megastar. M is 13. This female actress. So 3. F3. 6 3. 6 plus 3 9. 139 like that. CHI. CH are 2 letters. I is 1 letter. So CH is 2 letter. 2. I is looks like 1. 1. So after 3, 4 will come. Next 2, 1, 4. Like that you can remember. Next CH3, BR. So CH is I am taking Chiranjeevi now. So Chiranjeevi, Chiru brother, Nagendra Babu also is a star. In movies or in serials, in some events, Jabardast like that. He is a some comedy serials also, comedy events also. He is acting Nagendra Babu. He is a star. Keyword is star. S is 19. TR tar is has 3 letters. So 193. 19 is S. C means the TR tar star. Like that you can remember. Chiranjeevi brother also a star. Okay, 193. Next CH3Cl. Here also I am taking Chiranjeevi. Chiru latest movie released. It is a Chiru latest movie released. It is super hit. There is big Q is there. Chiru latest movie released. It is super hit film. So big Q is there in the cinema hall. Big Q is there. Q. Q means 17. Super hit. So full money collected to the director. So the goddess Lakshmi will come to the director. So he has many money. Money means symbol is 8. 8 is there. So Chiranjeevi movie, latest movie released. So big Q is there to see the film, super hit film. Q is 17. That is super hit film. Full money collected to the director. So that goddess Lakshmi come to director. So so much money. So that related to Lakshmi money means 8. Amount 8. 8 is there. 178. Like that you can remember. Match the following terms with its characteristics. Alitime, aspartame, saccharin, sucralose. Hypotensive sweetener, first popular artificial sweetening agent. It is suitable, stable at cooking temperature, widely used artificial sweetener. So what is the answer? Match with ABCD with 1, 2, 3, 4. So which option is correct? ABCD. See here. Alitame. Alitame is hypotensive sweetener. A1. A1. There is no other A1. So directly you can put the answer C without thinking, without wasting time. If A1, there is no A1. So no need to observe or think another questions. This type of questions also asking in exam. That is purpose I am asked here. A is only A1 is answer. Alitem. If you correctly answer, correctly remember, correctly catch the answer by using the easy tips and techniques. Alitem is a highly potential sweetener. Highly potential potency sweetener. A1. So only A1. So C is the answer. So again, we'll see the coding. Ali. In Telugu industry, Ali is a famous comedian. In Telugu industry, Ali is a fame. Fame means fame. Famous comedian. So he has take high remuneration. He has take high remuneration. So because he has high potency he has in comedian acting. His smile is very sweet. His voice is very sweet. The comedians. So we are laughing by seeing their reactions. It is so much sweet. Like that you can remember. Next, aspartame. B4. Widely used artificial sweetener. Aspartame. Widely used artificial sweetener. Aspartame is artificial sweetener. This is also elitame is also same. This is also artificial. But I am linking Ali high potential sweetener. Aspartame artificial. Here is art. Here is art. Art. So aspartame artificial sweetener like that can or part time artists. Artists are part time jobs. They are simultaneously working so many films. Some named artists are simultaneously working in many movies. So part time job they are doing like that. Next Sacharin C2. First popular artificial sweetening agent discovered in 1879. There are so many artificial sweetenings are there. Okay. Alitame, aspartame, sucralose, saccharin, all are artificial sweetening agents. But saccharin is first discovered artificial sweetener. It is such bath. A such bath hai. It is first popular, first artificial sweetener. So it is such bath. True. It is true matter, true information. So like that you can remember. Sucralose. D3. It is stable at cooking temperature. Sucralose means it is stable at cooking temperature. You take that stable SE. Sucralose SE. Stable also SE. Here also SE, but I am taking such bath is first artificial sweetening agent. I coded, but you don't take that. Sucralose SE. So stable SE at cooking temperature. Sucralose is stable at temperature. Aspartame is unstable at temperature. Aspartame is unstable at cooking temperature. Sucralose is stable at temperature. SS is matching, stable. A is U, unstable. AEIOU vowels. Like that you can remember. AEIOU, AU. Unstable at cooking temperature. This is SS, stable at cooking temperature. Like that you can remember. Next 10th question. Match the following terms with its examples. Narcotic, analgesics, antidepressant drugs, neurotransmitter of brain, non-narcotic analgesics. Match with ABCD with 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the answer? Narcotic analgesics. It is answer is morphine. Like morphine and Other also is there, codeine, like that. These are banned by government because it is some like that anesthesia like that. They will go in the sleepy, moody, some dim behavior. So nowadays students are using that narcotic drugs that is very dangerous to health. They will die in future if they use so much narcotic drugs. So narcotic analgesics, morphine. So you have to don't use. That is fine. More means change. You have to change. You don't use. It is fine. Otherwise you will die. Narcotic analgesics if you use. Next, antidepressant drug. Otherwise, nor more like that you can. Nor mine. Nor more. Like that you can remember. Phone. In phone tick mark still there. If you send a message in WhatsApp, in phone, first one tick is coming and second two ticks are coming. If you they see the blue color change that two ticks. Like that you can remember. Antidepressant drug. What is antidepressant drug? These both are antidepressant. B2. Iproniazid, phenylgine. Antidepressant. Wipro means Wipro I am taking. Wipro means Wipro. Wipro is a software company and also they are manufacturing bulbs and also so that software company means they are working on the laptop so much time. They are tired. So after they become lazy. So software persons use phone also so much time. So they go to depression in depressed mood. So that time they consult doctor. Doctor will some prescribe some antidepressant drugs. The drugs is iproniazid, phenylgine. Both are antidepressant drugs. That phenyl smell, they clean the Wipro offices with phenyl. The smell in that AC room, the smell will, they feel, they breathe the smell, the lungs will damage. So here Wipro people tired for so much time they are spending on the laptops and phones. That phenyl smell also bad. So they go to into depression after some time. So antidepressant drugs doctor will prescribe like that. Neurotransmitter of the brain. The brain neurotransmitter is noradrenaline. Noradrenaline. So transmitters that current lines are going now. From transmitter to the houses, the current lines, wire lines are going are there. That like you can remember. Or neuro, nora, like that similar words. You can remember. Narcotic analgesics. It is aspirin. Aspirin is non-narcotic analgesics. Aspirin is non-narcotic analgesic. Narcotic analgesic is morphine. This is aspirin, non-narcotic analgesics. Aspirin is a for relief for pain purpose. You are suffering from pain, knee pain like that. So doctor prescribed aspirin, some headaches purpose. Aspirin they prescribe. It is a non-narcotic analgesic. Which of the following is not a target molecule of drugs or targets? Lipids, proteins, nucleic acids, minerals. Which of the following is not a? You have to observe, don't read fastly. Target molecule or drugs target. That is not a target molecule or not target drug targets. Not a target molecules or not a drug target. Select one option. Other three are target molecules or drug targets. One is not target molecule, not drug target. Does not come into drug or molecule. So answer is minerals. Lipids means fats. Fats comes with target molecule or drug target. Proteins also target molecule drug target. Nucleic acid is also target molecule drug target. Next minerals. Minerals is in minerals. No. It is no target molecule. Like that you can remember. No molecule. No me. Like that you can remember. Minerals is not a target molecular drug targets. And also vitamins also not a target molecules or drug targets. Vitamins, minerals. That both are soluble in water. Which of the following statement is not correct related to denaturation? Denaturation. Which of the following statement is not correct related to denaturation? This type of questions also in earlier exams they are asking. So you have to know all information about denaturation. Then only you can answer. That is why I am telling. Put some time for that information and total information you have to remember, analyze and put some coding techniques in creativity method way and analysis that and that points questions you can frame and you can write that in notes. Then only you can remember all points. Then only you can answer this type of questions. What is answer? Answer is B. Primary and secondary structures are destroyed is not correct. Curdling of milk. So curdling of milk means milk we can made by milk curd. That is a curdling of milk. That is denaturation. Next, secondary and tertiary structures are destroyed, not primary structure destroyed in denaturation. Coagulation of egg white on boiling. Coagulation is coming on doing or of egg white on boiling. Coagulation of egg white on boiling, heating. That is also one denaturation example. So answer B is not correct. Next, match the following amino acids with its characteristics feature of side chain or match the following amino acids with its characteristic feature of side chain or serine, valine, cysteine, lysine. Characteristic feature of side chain are serine, valine, cysteine, lysine. Match with ABCD with 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the answer? Serine. Serine is HOCH2 dash. Serine is HOCH2 dash. So how can you remember? Serine means I thought saline bottle. So if you're suffering from cold and heat, fever, so some saline bottle. So you are weak. So that is purpose. If you go hospital, they put some saline bottle. Saline bottle contains mostly water and some minerals. Water means H2O. Here HO. Like that. You can remember. Saline means saline bottle. It contains water mostly, some other minerals. So H2O when you suffering from cold and high fever. Like that you can remember. Valin. Valentine's Day. Valin. Valentine's Day. What is the answer? H3C taken twice CH dash. Valentine's Day. So you went to a hotel. Ho. H. Hotel. Tel means three. Hotel. And order chips. Order chips. So both are you both. Valentine's means that both girlfriends, that couple are eating that chips by speaking, by sitting there and spend for some time. After that they ordered coffee. That coffee is very hot. After thinking that they went to their go home. Like that. Valentine Day. So some friends will go hotel. Hotel means three. They order some chips. So or chicken burgers like that. So eat by speaking that couple too. They are eating that chips. After the for some time they ordered coffee. The coffee is hot. Like that you can remember. Next 16. HSCH2. 16 HSCH2. 16 like that sister. Sister. Husband sister. My husband's sister is very cool, calm going. Her heart is wholehearted. She is cool and wholehearted. Means free person. Means no jealousy. So is a good person. So good persons, not jealousy person have good health. Like that also she is very cool. So her health is very good. Like that you can remember. Good, good, two letters. Like that you can remember. If you're not cool, your health will be bad. So always be cool, be calm. Don't talk much. If necessary, you have to talk. Don't use your words. You lose your power, energy power. If you talk more, your energy loss. So always you have to listen other person's information. You answer only little bit words. Use little bit. So there are total five Panchabhutas are there. And also I am telling five important words. Be cool, be relaxed, be take small breathing, slow breathing, don't tension, and be casual. Means do your work. Don't think others. Don't think for others. Don't think your relatives. Don't think on others movies. Anywhere you have to concentrate on your subject itself. And lastly, keep smile. Always keep smile. Enjoy every second. Then you got everything. You got job, you got money, you can win other minds, other people minds. You are a great person like your behavior will be great if you do these five things. Next, Christine. 16. 16 हो गया. Next, lysine. Lysine means it is easy. Lice is it is a type of insects stays on our hair. Lice in mostly in children, in ladies, the hair is more now. So lice as suffering them by lying on their head. For that they use shampoos, lice killing shampoos. But that is not good. You use natural herbal method. Okay? Natural herbal method. Neem tree is there now. You apply the neem tree's leaves paste to the hair. You apply neem tree leaves paste. You take neem tree leaves and grind in mix. Apply that paste to hair. The lice will gone. So like that you can use lysine. Lysine means H2N CH2O4. This is the lice lying, staying on your head. So they are disturbing in night, sleeplessness. So you have to apply that, not chemical. It is bad. So use herbal method. Neem tree leaves you have to apply. Here chemical bad. So it is harmful your health. Not good. So not good. Closing good means four letter. Not good. So apply herbal method. Like that you can remember. The last question is match the following terms with its characteristics or meanings or feature. Polypeptides, fibrous proteins, all proteins, globular proteins. So what is the answer? Polypeptides. Poly means many. There are the products such amino acids is more than 10. More than 10. There are the products such amino acids is more than 10. It is called polypeptides. Polypeptides. So 10. P you take like pole. LO 10. More than 10. It is polypeptides. Fibrous proteins. Fibrous proteins means keratin myosin. 2. Keratin myosin. Fibrous myosin. Fibrous rush. In ration shop, starting 1 week, some rush is there. Government ration shops, that queue lines are there, some rush are there. In earlier days, my childhood, kerosene is also giving in ration shops. At the time, no gas stoves, only kerosene stoves we are using in my childhood. In that ration shop, heavy rush is there. Then compared to now, that time, my childhood time, there is a big queue, heavy rush is there. So, take the kerosene and some items, rice like that, in NTR period like that. So, like that you can remember. Next, all proteins, polymers of alpha amino acids. Polymers of alpha amino acid. Alpha. In alpha, all is there. So, all proteins. Polymers of alpha amino acids are all proteins. So, all proteins are polymers of alpha amino acids. Alpha. In alpha, all is there. So, all proteins is the answer. Globular proteins. Insulin. And also another one is there. Albumin. I have not given. If you give, I have given albumin. You can easily find out albumin, globu. It is easy. But I am not giving here for your confusing purpose. In exam they will ask albumin also. Albumin, globu, albu. So like that you can remember. Insulin, globu, insu. Like that you can remember. Line, that bar, line. Like that. Globe. In globe, that lines are there. Middle line. So north side one line is there. South side one is there. And last north pole, down south pole. So in globe, some lines are there. Rows, lines. So that is weather situations. In middle line, very hot. In globe, in middle line, very hot. So from center to north pole, center, some medium temperature is there. And south side also same. Center to south pole, middle is average temperature. So at the poles, very cool. Only ice will be there. Like that in globes, some lines are there. Like that you can remember. So you have to do only one thing. Put for some time on that information. Put some time. You have patience and you have to think in creativity way to how to link the question to answer. You divide the sub parts globe, bar, like that line, like that if you observe some points will be there in English very easy by uh, guessing answers, by putting easy tips. Objective type of questions, it is very easy to put tips and techniques. Creativity learning is very easy. Don't use by heart method. If you read, if you remember like this, why I am telling, if you read this type of, definitely you can remember easily. Only one time, if you have time before exam, you revision. In exam, automatically, if you by seeing answers and the questions and answers, immediately you can your mind will guess the correct questions. Immediately you put answers. Time will be saved. You answer many questions. Automatically you get first, then others. You get rank in the your examinations. So be patient, do hard work, learn with creativity learning, then you will get success. That is success mantra. I explained in the stick method in success mantra. Once again, you can read that, watch that video. Okay? Thank you, one and all. In next video, we will meet in physics second year questions, some important questions. Okay, if you like my tips and techniques, my video, you like my YouTube channel Neet Success Tips, and subscribe and click the bell icon and share to your friends and relatives. Okay, keep smiling. All the best. Best of luck. Thank you one and all. Jai Lainism. Jai Jawan. Jai Kisan. Jai Hind.